Well, it's different. It's a happy day for me because I'm going to teach you to prepare this broth. Actually, it's a fish broth. And for us, the Bolivian people, it's considered like a medicine. This is the medicine for the hangover, friends. So it's a really good broth. I'm gonna let you know the ingredients here. Actually, on this side, on my left, we have the onions. The name of this plate is Encebollado. Actually, the name is because it has cebollas, onions in it. When we finish to serve the plate to give it to you, we serve with some or a lot of onions, up to you, on the top of it. That's why we call Encebollado. Then we have the sour orange or lime, could be limes. We always recommend as an Ecuadorian to squeeze the limes on the top of your broth to eat it. It's really, really good because it has salt and, well, it's considered because it's salty and fishy actually, and a bit of spice in it, not too much. And the lime is really good to cut this. So I recommend you lot. So we have one of the main ingredients is the cassava root, already boiling in here. I couldn't get some cassava because we didn't have the kitchen, but I'm gonna use this because I need to blend this, okay, to make a creamy broth. And the fish, the catch of the day is yellowfin tuna. Actually, the fish that we're going to try to find to get this meal is the tuna fish, okay? So, already you know the ingredients there. One is the meat. On my right hand, I prepared this stuff because I need to prepare the broth. Actually, here I have the fish and the ingredients. Put these napkins here. Today I would like to have a volunteer to help me today.
I've already been the donkey, so I'm not doing it.
Ayúdame con el pescado crudo, ¿ya? Sí, solo es rápido, rápido. So, Alejandro is bringing the fish. We forget to put it on the table. That's the main. But, like I said before, I'm going to introduce the ingredients first. Here on this plate, I have two veggie oils. Actually, the yellow one maybe is known for all of you. You will have it on your own kitchens, maybe sunflower oil, could be olive oil, anything like that. But the red one,
Vinegar.
no vinegar.
No.
Do you know what this?
Chili oil?
Achiote? Achiote is the first one that I asked that knows what's this. Achiote or red anato. Actually, this oil is extracted from a kind of a small seed from the Amazon of Ecuador. It's like a small frutilla or strawberry, small fruit strawberry, but inside it has a tiny seeds that you broke it, and it has some achiote in the name of this plant. And they extract this oil, and that culture who extract this, they used to paint their faces and their hairs. So that's the achiote, and we're going to use it to prepare the food today. It doesn't change the flavor, just give color, a different color to our meal. And here, I already chopped some veggies before you arrive here because the assistant have it easier. So it will be for that person who's going to help me to prepare this. Okay? Now I have the ingredients here. I'm going to use a piece of ginger. I don't need too much, just a small portion. It's better to take the skin with a spoon. Here we have the fish. Okay? Then the ginger, one of the mains, because it's gonna give you a oriental meal in it. And I take it with a knife because I want to cut it some slice around to extract more flavors. Put inside the water.
So you usually take the skin off with a spoon.
Oh yes, I used to be with that, but I prefer with the knife at this moment with that because I need to cut a little bit inside to extract more flavors. So then we have a pepper. I'm going to use maybe the half of it. I don't need too much. seeds, we'll take it away. Big slices. We have red onion. Just be the half of it because this portion is maybe for 2 or 3 persons, okay? When I cut an onion, I prefer to take the first skin here. Four halves. Oh. Wait. Now we get some, this maybe you know as leeks or spring onion. I'm going to need just some carrots. So before I take the first skin, into halves. It goes to the pot. Celery. Our hands. Add it. And this is parsley. Actually, it smells good. I'm gonna do this 2 branches.
Can I see?
See? You smell
Is
it?
it parsley or dill?
And I'm gonna twist it. It's like the same process with you prepare something with basil. Then clap it. More aromas, and we'll start to smell. To the pot. I have 2 garlics. 3 will be better. And I'm gonna mash it. Go. And a chili. When this plate was created at the 50s, 60s in Ecuador, it was at the coast. They used to take it with chili in it. So I'm gonna use a bit of it, extracting the oil, the seeds from it. I don't want it. It's spicy. The spice is part of it. Okay. Add it here. There we go. Yes. Okay. Better. And we're going to add the fish now. Show you. This is the fillet we're going to use. It's a red meat. Dark meats used to be. It's already cut in small portions because when it gets already boiled, we're gonna separate it like small portions like this to be more for us. Okay? I'm gonna put this into our pot. Go. There you are. I have a spoon here. I'm gonna help myself to move a little bit this. Remember I said it was salty. I have some salt here. I already added a little bit when you arrived. Please. And pepper. Okay, now we're going to proceed to prepare our stir fry. For that moment, I would like to have a volunteer. Anybody?
I'll do it.
Please. Yes, I do. Can I have your name? Ashley. So pleasure.
Oh, a big hand for Ashley.
Really spanking me.
A little bit nervous? Don't worry.
She's not nervous.
Okay. Like I said before, now we're going to prepare this pan to make our stir fry. It already will be blended with all the ingredients that we have here. And here. Like I said before, we have to do this. Please, you want to help me to add? Oh, go on the right. We're going to add the half of this oil into the pan. A little bit more. Perfect. And the half of it. There we go. Then I have this. The same ingredients that I have here are the same that are inside the pot for the broth. I'm gonna give you a spoon to help. So we have the garlics,
All or half?
all of it. Yes, sir. Good. We have tomatoes. Onions, sorry.
Yeah.
Red onions. Perfect. We have pepper.
Yeah.
Good. Now the tomatoes.
The burrito's gonna burn. No, this is good.
And here we have some parsley.
It smells like a mix between a parsley and a dill. Like a faint dill.
So here, on your taste actually, you're gonna add some salt. Just like maybe Salt Bay, you
Pinch?
can add your own style.
Salt Bay.
Remember we already have salt there.
Okay.
So
that's enough.
on your taste, yeah. Here I have some pepper. You can add the half of it or all of it. Up to you.
I got a lot of pepper, yeah.
There we go.
A little. I like pepper.
There you go. Here I have two species. This one is a really strong one. It's cumin. We're gonna use the half of it. And here I have the secret Peruvian chili or red chili, already grounded. So for the ground chili, we're gonna use all of it.
A lot.
Right? And for the cumin, the half, and you're gonna use the half for the stir fry and the half to the broth.
What is this?
Cumin.
Oh. Half and half. Does that look right?
Now let's keep it moving. And let me check our broth because I want to know. Ready here. You remember the color of our fish before? Now it's dry. Already done. And this is the moment when I take the veggies. If you want, you can lower this because you can.
Should I keep stirring it?
Please. Yes. I'm gonna use my tongs. Take the veggies. Okay. This is the fastest way that we can prepare this broth. Actually, the main or the original recipe is to have the whole fish, the whole tuna, the spines, the head, and the fins into one pot, boiling for more than an hour.
But no stomach part.
With all the veggies that I already added. And that's the way that we get the fish taste in it. So it's so recommendable to get the whole fish, but if you're trying to get a quick caution here, you get this. Okay? Now we have just fish in it. Perfect. Then this way.
What is this kind of chili?
Oh, that's the same chili
The-
that I already added. That's
Okay.
decoration.
Okay.
It's a garnish. Fish. Well, okay, this is the fish that we're going to use, okay? Then we're going to mix everything. Still a little bit of water. And I proceed to add part of the fish to make it fishy because we didn't have the complete fish here.
Cumin smells good.
All this different. We have a lot of flavor now.
I feel like there's more juice. Some juice.
Now, remember the broth? I'm going to proceed to add some broth bits. Okay, and now I used to recommend to cover all the blender here because already it's really hot. Take this away and cover it with a napkin or paper because it's really hot, so it could make a explosion here.
Volcano.
Yes. Start slow. You see that? Okay, now we have to make it creamy. And the way that we do this, I'm sorry,
No, you're good.
I'm going to take part of our cassava. To have more consistency in it.
I think that's the pineapple potato.
Sorry, what are you adding there? Potato?
This is the cassava.
Okay.
Cassava root. Cover it again.
What is this?
This is the same. This is the cassava, but before to be boiling, okay? I didn't boil it because they bring it out the last. Okay, and boiling again is to make more creamy. And start it, okay? Now, final step. I'm gonna use a strainer. The same pot. Oh, please, thank you. And we're going to put all the blender in it. With a spoon, I have here, and stir everything. You will have the fish, the stir fry, cassava, everything in one place. Take a while. Okay, my dear friends. This here, and I will show you the final result. This is the broth. We're not done yet. This is the final broth, okay?
Oh, very good.
This is what we have. So, Ashley, please, the most important step for you is tasting. And you're gonna let us know. You can take that one, yeah. Let us know if it's good or not, we need more pepper or no.
Never had it. I don't know how to.
So let's try it.
It's so good. It's perfect.
It's your taste.
Yeah, you
So-
made it.
A big applause for Ashley and Chad. And of course, for those who wants to taste this broth, you're going to take a spoon here and taste it.